Hello, I'm Amy Grandforce from the Force Support Career Field team. Today, I'll show you how to create a standout MyVector resume to help you land those sought-after development opportunities. A strong MyVector resume is crucial for competitive selection boards. Since MyVector can be a bit tricky, I'll guide you through the key sections. Before we jump in, I recommend drafting and polishing your resume in Word first. This makes it easier to catch typos, refine your grammar, and get feedback from others. Once it's perfect, you can simply copy and paste everything into MyVector. All right, let's log in.
After logging in, you'll land on the MyVector homepage. Need help? The Help section offers user guides, frequently asked questions, and a ticketing system. Next, find the blue sidebar menu. Click on the tab to expand it if needed. Select Experience to begin. Under My Experience, you'll find the sections that comprise your MyVector resume. I'm going to guide you through updating your duty history, which covers civilian, military, and private sector experience. The process for updating education, training, and awards and decorations is very similar, so I won't cover those in detail. However, I will share valuable tips to help you create a polished and effective resume, so be sure to stick around. Let's get started. Here in the duty history section, you'll see the military, civilian, and self-reported tabs if you are prior active duty, or just civilian and self-reported if you are a career civilian. Please note, data from DCPDS and/or MilPDS may not transfer perfectly. Review all information carefully. Use the Hide Show buttons to control what the board sees. Hidden items won't appear on your final resume. Let's start with the civilian tab. This section is currently displaying the default view and lacks the crucial details of accomplishments. A strong duty history is essential for a successful board review. Click Edit Record to add bullet points showcasing achievements and activities. Here, you can update the duty title, description and accomplishment section, supervisor information, and job association. This is important. Do not copy and paste directly from your PD or appraisals. Use them as resources to write original content, focusing on your accomplishments with impacts. You can, however, copy from a pre-written resume, but watch out for character limits. If you are unable to save, you've probably exceeded the limit. Back on the main tab, you can report joint experience credit if applicable. Select the appropriate option for each block and use the eye icons for field explanations. Click Submit to send to your validator, save to continue later, or cancel. Continue to update your remaining civilian positions. If you have positions older than 10 years, it's optional to include them. If you wish to leave them off your resume, just click Hide. For those of you who are prior active duty, you'll want to review positions on the Military tab. For the military positions, you cannot edit job descriptions, but you can edit joint experience and sometimes the job association. Again, consider hiding older entries for a cleaner resume. Let's go to the self-reported section now. Click Add Self-Reported Duty to add private sector experience, missing positions, or to correct inaccuracies. If you are a NAF employee or have previous NAF experience, you may be missing some work history. Use this section to add it back in. I will add my private sector experience here as an example. You can use the Air Force equivalency section to translate private sector experience into Air Force terms. This is recommended but not required. Click Add Duty to save. Updating education, training, and awards and decorations works the same as duty history, with the hide show function and the ability to add self-reported entries. Therefore, I'm not going to go into detail for each of these, but rather provide a few quick tips. Education. Any degrees, professional military education, or certifications that are self-certified in DCPDS may not transfer over to MyVector. While you can add these to the self-reported section, it's best to contact your local civilian personnel office to verify and officially document these credentials to ensure accurate records. If you're currently pursuing a degree or professional military education, list it as self-reported in progress with your anticipated completion date. Just select yes under the still working on it question. Training. Don't clutter up your resume with common courses like annual cyber awareness and safety training. Instead, showcase the training that truly sets you apart and demonstrates advanced skills. We recommend you hide all recurring ancillary training. Awards Index. You will need to add these manually. The good news is it's a very simple entry. Just the name and date are all that's required. Please do not include time off awards or appraisal bonuses. Finally, click View My Resume to preview how your resume will look to the board. Go back to the sections in the blue sidebar to edit as needed. You can download or print a copy for your records if you like. If any of this information in the top is incorrect, open a support ticket on the help page. If that does not resolve the issue, reach out to your career field team for assistance.
That wraps up our MyVector Resume demonstration. Need more help? You'll find user guides and FAQs on the MyVector help page. You can also reach out to your career field team for assistance. Have a great day.